Hey y'all, welcome to Trez's Tech, or should I say Trez's Furniture Tech. Today we're messing around in the garage and we're going to refinish a mahogany stool that goes to a vanity that's been in my family for several generations. It hadn't been refinished in 60 or 70 years, and first we'll strip all the old varnish off, we'll restain it, and then we'll finish it with tung oil. And I think you'll like the way this project turned out. I really did. This is my refinishing project. This is I believe it's mahogany stool that has some canning on it, and I am going to refinish it using Hornby's Refinisher and also Minwax Furniture Refinisher. So I'll be taking a few pictures throughout this process, kind of show you where we are. I started yesterday on the top, and I've removed most of the old finish, and now I'm working on the sides. So we'll have a few pictures here and there, and then I'll show you how I complete the project. Steel wool, I'm using triple alt. Steel wool, I've got 5 alt also. Yep, let it soak in. To do some traveling. I'm happy just getting to the coast. See my daughter and her family. And the coast definitely allows you to become a different person if you spend some time down the coast. That's where life began. And I hope you can hear what I'm saying. If not, I guess I'm just talking to myself. I did wear my sun. See what I get. There's my glove. I bought these reusable nitrile gloves, Nitrile, and they hold up really good against solvents and things. They're about $3 a pair. I got a few pairs just in case. I don't know if you can see it or not. Capital city of South Carolina, Columbia. It was a planned city. The capital was moved from Charleston to the middle of the state to make it accessible everywhere to all the citizens of the state. And we had a Coca-Cola bottling plant here that was really super high tech on North Main Street. And I think we also had several other bottling plants here, and so Columbia became known as Cola Town, or Cola. So you address, when you were addressing letters and postcards, you would say Cola SC instead of Columbia, and the post office means Cola, Columbia, South Carolina. Don't want to ruin that phone. What that's worth. I think it's done. Just wash it down with some acetone and fresh, this is 4/0 steel wool. It's very, very, very fine. Half a pad. Hopefully I have enough acetone to. There we go. And this one goes the whole. Hopefully they will appreciate this for years to come. Right now I'm looking at cameras. Don't know the best camera to let this dry off. And I looked at the bench out in the sun, and after it was drying, and figured, you know, I really probably need to go ahead and stain it with mahogany, and I have some red mahogany stain that I have in the shop, and it is Habits, I think it is, and it's just red mahogany. So I'm gonna go ahead and put stain on the hole. And I'll flip around if you see me. I'll do that side of the camera. You can see. Yesterday, after letting the stain dry, I went over it with, I don't know if you can see it, but went over it with a very fine steel wool, and then I went over it with a cloth that was saturated with mineral spirits to get rid of any kind of lint and any kind of leftover shavings from the steel wool. So we'll go ahead and put, today we'll be finishing it with Tung Oil. Clean rag, very clean rag. And we're just going to rub it on. On this project. It gives a rub finish instead of if I'd used a brush, we might have some lines from the brush. So this is just rubbed in good. There we go. I think that's a little bit better. And again, I'm using the old Samsung S. This is looking really good. It's hand rubbed, so this will be a hand rub finish. And I think it's going to turn out beautiful. It's really looking good on this side. So we'll do the side. I don't know about you guys, but I tend to have rags galore. I used to never have rags. Then I bought some rags. And I bought some more rags. Next thing you know, we'll let this dry. We'll come back to the second coat. The first coat seemed to looks really nice. I'm gonna do a real light, super light sanding, just to get off any kind of loose edges that might be there. But I think overall it looks great. And I'll do a second coat, and I think that feels a lot better. Rub this in real good. beautifully finished piece of furniture. Wax. And this damp cloth most of the time will shine it up.
Thanks for watching Trez's Tech. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. And I hope something good happens to you today. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.